introduction. I'm Shai, Fultheim, founder of ScaleMP, and I'm being asked a lot about how to design a next-generation cloud or large-scale grid data center. What's important when you look into a large-scale grid or a cloud, as people like to call it these days, is to design a cloud infrastructure that can fit any type of workloads. Now, when you look into data center, there are a few types of workloads. There are workloads that require sub-system resources. They will need less CPU and less memory than what each one of the servers that you deploy in the data center have to offer. There are workloads that require a system or multiple systems, and they know how to run in a distributed way and occupy several systems. There are additional set of workloads that would not fit into each one of the systems. And now there are two approaches around that. One approach will be, okay, this type of workloads, which might be 20 or 30% of the workloads in the data center, will run on a dedicated, what I'm calling end-of-the-aisle computing, which is the opposite paradigm of cloud. When we talk about cloud, we would like to see a unified, uniform infrastructure that can run any type of workload and can provide any type of resources for the growing need of these workloads over time. VCP Foundation for SMP is for VCP Foundation for Cloud is a virtualization infrastructure that takes multiple nodes in the cloud and virtualizes them as a single large pool. And it takes these nodes and make them a single virtual machine that runs a single operating system. And that's allow customers to create virtual machines that are not just sub-system size, but also superset. Multiple systems. Taking, for example, 10 systems and aggregate them together will give you the ability to access 20 sockets with 640 gigabytes of memory, assuming that the systems that you deploy for your grid are with 64 gigabytes in dual sockets. And that's provide customers with the ability to run these workloads part of the time and not having a dedicated system for this type of large workloads.